Team PureGlide. We are Prince, Rudra, and Shreshth, united in creating innovative solutions for everyday challenges. Together, we bring you PureGlide, a simple, smart tool to make fan cleaning easier and safe for everyone.
Tired of struggling to clean ceiling fans? Meet PureGlide, the safe, easy solution for spotless blades. No ladders or backstrain needed. Perfect for the elderly, physically disabled individuals, or anyone seeking effortless cleaning.
ये फैंस कितने गंदे हैं। क्या तुम्हारे पास कोई आइडिया है इनको साफ करने का?
कपड़े से कर लो।
कुछ लोगों की हाइट छोटी होती है, वो नहीं कर पाएंगे।
तो ब्रूम कैसा रहेगा?
ओल्ड एज पीपल को पहले से ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम होती है, डस्ट गिरेगा, बीमार वैसे ही पड़ जाने हो।
तो क्या करें?
कोई आइडिया है?
So, we created a solution which is PureGlide, an innovative tool designed for easy cleaning of ceiling fans. Especially for old style Indian fans, PureGlide uses a clutch and a foam to clean both the sides of blade simultaneously, eliminating the need of ladder or any assistance. PureGlide is the easiest and the most efficient tool for cleaning old style Indian ceiling fans. Its unique dual sided design clean both the sides at once, saving time and effort. Safe, affordable, and easy to use, PureGlide makes fan cleaning hassle free for anyone, especially seniors or people with limited reach.
Ready to make fan cleaning more safe and effortless? Visit www.thekidcompany.in. Enter your UID number and explore how PureGlide can simplify your life. Sign up for a demo today or buy for a cleaner, safer home experience.
Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.